This is an unboxing of a set of the eyepieces. I've received it right now and I'm going to open it. Okay, let's see what is inside here. Oh, a tiny bag. That's nice. Oh, that's nice actually. I like this size of bag. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. Ooh, eyepiece. 50mm long eye relief. Let me turn on the flash just to focus on this. Okay, 50 long eye relief, fully multi-coated, 20mm, 50 degrees. So it's a puzzle probably. Doesn't say what it is, but I can guess. Okay, it has a smart lens at the end. Yeah, okay. It's quite nice and bright inside. Let me look through it. Okay, oh, that's nice. Clear. Good eye relief also. And let's look from this side. Nice. I must say it feels really nice and chunky. Metal, you can see it's not plastic, it's metal. Optical quality, I have to try test it on the either in the daylight or with the night objects. Okay, this is the 9mm one. Long eye relief, 20mm, fully multi-coated, 50 degrees. So let's see. What is it? This. Oh, it seems to me all of them have a smart lens at the bottom. That is a kind of Barlow lens that they have for making the normal eyepieces into high magnification planetary eyepieces. As you can see, the exit pupil is completely small, tiny. But the lens is big, and here's the end lens again. This one is a 5mm, again 50 degrees. There's metal, completely solid build. Again, the exit pupil is quite tiny, and it has also a smart lens at the end. And this is a 2mm one. It has a lens cap, of course. And yeah, quite long compared to other ones. So that longness, that extra length shows that definitely it has a Barlow smart lens at the end. Yeah, my guess was right. There's a Barlow here. And 2mm. I don't think that will be useful in anything, but anyway, 45 degrees field of view. As you can see, the exit pupil is tiny, a little bit bigger than a needle head, so I don't think that will be of much use. Okay, the package includes some moon filter and some other filters. As you see, filter number 21 and filter number 80A and 9609. These are the ones that we can use for observing the moon and the planets, so hopefully we will use them. I noticed some of them have a little bit dirt on them. I'll just clean them with the best cleaning agent you can use, of course, is a Bader magic whatever solution it is, but that is practically isopropyl alcohol. You can buy a 1 liter bottle of it in eBay for £5 or something like that. The Bader solution is just 100 milliliter, 1/10 of that, and it costs you £15. So isopropyl alcohol is the same, so you can just use that. So that will be done, and nice touch, nice packaging. This is the 15mm long eye relief eyepiece that I showed you. Now I'm going to look at how it looks in the flesh when looking at something. I'm surprised at the quality of this eyepiece. It's so good, the image quality, compared with my best eyepieces. And I bought the whole package for just under £30. So clear. Now we are looking at a long eye relief 9mm eyepiece. Let's see how it is. Again, is one of the best eyepieces that I have in the 9mm range. Again, it's now near the dusk. Sun is already has set or is behind the cloud. It's very dark, quite dark. This is how it looks, and the image was really good. Really, I'm surprised at the quality of the image. Now we are looking at the 5mm long eyepiece. This is the focal length of it. I don't expect any good quality image. 5mm is too much for anything. So usually the eyepieces are mushy at this range, but I mean the picture, the image they provide. Let us see how it is. It's really dark now, but yet the image quality is really good. 5mm. You cannot see anything in 5mm, let alone be in the dusk. Look at the image. Fortunately, it gets too dark to show how the 2mm one looks. It was not bad. The image quality was acceptable. It was very soft, but anyway, that's what you expect from 2mm one. I'm surprised at this range of the eyepiece be so good. It doesn't have even a name of manufacturer, so we don't know who has built it. Probably China. Yeah, definitely China. Anyway, very good eyepiece set. I'm surprised. The lens is quite large for this range, and I really like that. You can see the several reflections shows the number of the lenses is there. At least 4 lenses, even more probably.